Have you ever tried folding a fully loaded Brompton with the back on the rear rack? You have to detach the cords, put the back down, reattach the cords, then fold the rear wheel, and even after all of that, it's still wobbly and unstable. Wouldn't it be nice if your loaded Brompton could just stand on its own while you step away, no wall, no bench? Definitely no need to lay it flat on the ground with all your bags. What if there was an easier way to handle this? Let me show you how. After riding 2,500 kilometers, I was really frustrated by the lack of kickstand on my Brompton. I decided it was time to solve this issue once and for all. And after returning from my tour, I searched the whole internet for a kickstand. All I found were Chinese ones that mounted to the rear wheel. They look flimsy and weak. It might work on the vanilla Brompton, but I needed something more robust, something that could hold all my bags and 35 kilos of camping gear. Fortunately, I found a promising kickstand at the German bike store for 25 €. It seems like the best option, so I bought it right away. It wasn't cheap, but it was the most stable stand I could find, and unlike others, it doesn't attach to a rear wheel. Instead, it mounts to the rear triangle and has an adjustable foot for better stability. When the package arrived, I eagerly unboxed it, hoping the kickstand from Germany would live up to my expectations. It should easily hold heavy loaded bags and camping gear. The stand itself felt indestructible, made from stainless steel, and was pretty heavy.
And it takes quite a lot of force to bend the kickstand, so definitely get used to, kick your kickstand without any worries. Can't wait to install it to Brompton and try it in real life.
The only downside is losing the pump, but to be honest, the original Zephyr pump was pretty useless anyway. To install the kickstand, I needed two tools, 4 and 5mm Allen keys. First, I installed the hook onto upper frame of the rear triangle. Then I added the back plate. Tightening the screws here was a bit tricky, as I had to hold the other side of the screws while rotating the Allen key. Once everything was in place, I tried out the kickstand. It took a bit of force to unfold it, but once it was down, it felt solid and secure. It held my Brompton perfectly. Overall, I'm happy with the results. For a bit more weight and 25 €, I can now conveniently stop, park my Brompton and leave it standing straight on the road. No more barricading the road with my bike laying flat or worrying about getting my bags dirty. I hope you find this video helpful, subscribe for more, and see you next time.